person say he go give you 2 million naira, say he wan knack you in front of this your boyfriend, you go do am? Okay bro, Afa, wetin be your name?
My name na Lekon.
Lekon, wetin be your name?
Ayola.
Ayola. Yeah. As I dey interview two of you, e dey show for camera. You sure say no be another person husband be this? You sure say no be another person babe? Im boyfriend go see am. Una dey okay as I dey interview now? Yeah. Okay, no wahala. You know Niniola? You know Tiwa Savage? You know Seyi, and you know Tenny? Okay, you can say make you choose one, make him be your olosho for one night. Who you go choose?
I will choose Niola.
You go choose Niola? Why?
I just like, it's my crush.
Osamolomo Digbo crush. Damele. Oh yeah, now bro, I go ask you. So, what is the most important thing in relationship?
Trust.
And what?
Just trust.
Just trust. What is the most important thing in relationship?
Trust
And what?
if money enter, it go sweet.
So trust and money.
Yeah.
Clap for yourself. I say our guests know they disappoint. What is the difference between love and sex?
They're different.
Okay, what be different?
I can't answer that question.
Okay, in your own opinion, what is the difference between love and sex?
Like love and sex. There's no difference
No difference.
because when there's love, there's always sex. Yeah.
Always sex.
Nah, back to back.
If person say he go give you 2 million naira, say he wan knack you in front of this your boyfriend, you go do am?
How will I do that?
I just dey ask, you go run am?
No.
If person say he go give you 1 million, say he wan make you knack am in front of this your baby, you go run am?
I can't do that. I can't.
2 million come? 3 million? 4 million?
I can't do it.
10 million?
I can't do it.
Oh baby, 15 million to knack in front of your boyfriend.
Boss, please. I can't do it because I know it's gonna spend more than that for me.
Na to just one knack once to go in front of am.
No, I can't do it. No.
Na because of say your baba dey jare.
Oh, I respect my guy so much.
Make una kiss if una dey. Yeah! Make una kiss again, make una kiss again.
Now you are talking. Now you are talking about me. Holy center. Oh.